Hi there, remember this video that I shot the last time, how I turned this natural hair into a silk hair using my keratin treatments? I mean, that perfect arc. So the same hair is what I styled into more like a mini bridal hair. I packed it this way. If you don't know how I made that natural hair come into this, I didn't use any form of relaxer. I mean, no relaxer at all. So the same hair is what I packed, and I'll be showing you how I'll be using this kinky pony to style it into a mini styling, like something you can take out with friends, something you can use as fake cut wedding or civil weddings, you know, something mini, but of course with details. So this kinky pony, I'll be using it to style, so just stay tuned and watch. And in case you don't know my name is bukunmi.gabriel, and I'm your tutor for today in this channel. And guys, thank you so much. We are 10,000 subscribers already. You guys are doing amazingly well. I'm super happy to be doing this with you guys. I mean, I'm really grateful. So right now we'll just go straight into the class. I'll be using this kinky pony to style a very beautiful look, so just stay tuned and keep watching, guys. At this junction, our hair is looking set already, and it's still looking very intact. And for the record, this is the same thing I did for my friend here for our photo shoot, and it looks really nice and classy. So guys, this is real. You can use your kinky pony to achieve a beautiful look like this, and there'll be no regrets or people trying to guess how it's been done. It's a perfect arc. And I'll see you again in my next class, where I'll be giving you another 8 moments. I mean, you don't want to miss my next video. So if you're new here, I advise you subscribe. This is the channel you have been looking for, and trust me, there will be no regrets, because I have so much more to offer. Alright guys, thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.